Good morning. We are here today to introduce you to a new product. This is a software, a learning content management software. What is it? It is Dokeos. We will use a PowerPoint presentation to present this product. Let's go on the first slide. Let's discover Dokeos. Now move on the summary. In the summary, we can see we have several points to debate here. At each point, we write it in red so you can see where you are at the presentation. Now, let's go on the first point. What is Dokeos? Let's move on. Dokeos is a learning management system. It is also a content management system. That means you can use this software to launch any learning program. That means also that with Dokeos, you can use the internet to launch a curriculum, to launch an education program. Dokeos is a collaborative tool. That means the open code, that means the code of the software is available to everybody. Dokeos is also a server-sided application. That means you need a server, a web server to use and to run Dokeos. And also, Dokeos is easy to run and manage. Let's move now on the next slide. Dokeos, if properly installed, looks like that. You can see it on your slideshow. You have a screenshot of Dokeos, which is a very neat and simple interface. Now let's move on. Is everybody with me? Is okay? Okay, let's move. We are at the second point. Who can use Dokeos? Dokeos is a learning content management system. That means that Dokeos was primarily designed for the education world. I mean educators, trainers, students. But at large, corporations use it too for training, for continuing training. And Dokeos can be used by everybody who intends to launch an education or training program. Let's move on. Now we are at our third point. How can we use Dokeos? Dokeos can be used to bring any learning environment, to launch a distance learning program or curriculum. It can be used also in an hybrid program. That means a program where you mix up distance learning and presence learning. And Dokeos can be used also in a presence style program. That means if a teacher teaches a course during a session, he can use Dokeos to put the content for the student who also can use the content through Dokeos. Next point. Features of Dokeos. Now we will have a focus on the interface of the software. We come back to the screen we have precedently. Here you have the main screen of Dokeos. Look, Dokeos has a tab navigation style with four main tabs. Page d'accueil, mes cours, suivi, administration. You can use these tabs to customize the software to your needs. Let's go on. Let's go to the administration tab. In the administration tab, you have several features. And these features, you can customize the users, you can customize the courses, you can customize the platform, and you can customize the sessions. Let's have a look now to the platform. By the platform, we need all the parameters you can customize to make the course look what you want.